You subscribe yet?
Sister, where you go?
I go to the road.
I want to talk to you then. Come.
I could have walked now.
Yeah, we'll go on now. I know how you feel like me I watch you, you know. But by an idea, I'm a sister, so I have to make sure I say they're on the right track. Other day, I say they're on one spot where you're not supposed to be there. You understand? I remember saying it's a book girl and you're smart and that, you know. And I see him some more you're smart, nice street too. Because street is nice. I don't tell you who to talk to still, you know. But certain man you are grown, them they are not your style, sis.
No understand what you say, but at the end of the day, I think you still have a talking with me. Oh, you know say me a pirate man. Where you watch me for you, my brother? What you mean by me a pirate man? Who can you steal? You're my brother, you're not my father, okay?
Get
understand? So you look out for me, okay?
So you try to say them, if you just see your business and left you alone.
No, because you're my brother, you're supposed to protect me. But
So
me not think you have a talk and tell me so me not go or go this or not. You understand?
So if you see me apart with some bad company, you're not going to talk to me and say, brother, I don't like the company, you know, in a good feel.
Right. And that day you're not going to listen. You're just going to say, oh, I'm telling little girl, a man go sit down, man, a big man. So in that day, you just allow me make me do my things, okay?
You know one thing mommy always say?
What she say?
You're not too big for listen, but do you right still?
Whatever. Wanda.
What Wanda?
Girl, you're not even ready. I'm not tell you we are going where you yourself break up yard for.
Come let me tell you what I'm going.
Oh,
I know me and you did plan to go somewhere. But my husband want me. He said he wants to have some me moment. You know that?
What kind of me moment? Married? Young, somebody like you married?
He better to be married than to be let go.
I know me can't believe you married. Where the camera? Because I must prank. No, show me camera. I prank this. So where? So we plan cancel.
Yeah, cancel. Can't go today. We have to plan one.
So you know, say it's a big eye glass. Nobody ever tell you that?
So you go.
So you really gonna make man
Me say my partner.
You know, say it's a real idiot. Me go left here because me carry this an idiot. Is that
Yeah,
idiot?
come there rape me hard. You need to try your life. Try this.
I don't want to life because if I this a married life, what me I do with it? Yeah, idiot. And what is?
What is man?
What kind of life you live?
A very happy one.
Okay, big idiot. So when you say
Yeah,
that
man,
we are
I'm back in the
going
west
into?
very soon. Why them beer?
Yeah.
Know what I mean? Oh, Ocha. Sorry.
Yeah, girl, me call you.
Yo, give me 1 minute, 1 minute.
You know, look, we are going something.
I'm sorry, I'm very sorry, but Oh God, I don't know how to say this now. This has never happened to me before, I swear. I'm not laughing if it's no fun and joke, but
What's never happened
so
before?
I buck up and I want to beautifully like you like a purpose. But,
Mine you do it for spite and bump on me, you know, because
No.
it really hurts, you
No,
know.
I wouldn't. I'm very sorry. Hear me good. And I like to make a beg your number, but me not tell you, so just make me see you tomorrow so me can make it up to you. Is it possible?
Make it up to me.
Wait. My name is Johnny.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice to meet you. As me I say, me not stress if you don't number like that, but at the end of the day, me I say,
So,
let me just make it up to you.
you
Cause
want somebody number, you not even ask me what my name.
what's your name? No out of bread because
Javier.
Javier.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Javier. And I'm looking for the same tomorrow. So can I get my can I get your number?
I mean, I know probably sure you don't want everything look away, that's why you're going to miss, but me, you don't go call me.
Alright, so I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna have a conversation with you because sometimes you see when just set it one certain way, you can't go around it. Alright?
Yeah.
So
Nice meeting you.
nice to meet you. So I'll see you. Alright?
Okay.
And you're Javier, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so see you around Javier.
Okay, bye.
Shop Lockstar. Karen, lock up. Watch out! Well, on. What we there? How things? Hey! How good were we see you? How you been there? I like that your boy. You know more ask your boy. Yeah, the lady up there. Still there. Hey! You touch one topic there, what kind of, you know. No, say me say still. Me no say. But you and him still there? Sata. Oh, me not say nothing. So, we are going to drink a rum. If you go there, we can burn one rum, you know. No, you know. I just, right now, some tin milk. I'm going to try to mix some Milo. A long time I drink no Milo. So, some tin milk. Tin milk can done up a yard. So, I buy some tin milk. Peter. Yeah, so it's like me I try, as me say, get some tin milk and start out some little thing idea. Because, yo, you see, me not drink, hey, me tell you something. Me not drink them same thing there again, you know. Them sitting them on too much sugar and go around. Me no want to catch no sugar and them sitting there, brother. Right now, me tell you, cut off 5 tin milk. Well, better you drink milk powder. You see Gloria milk when it come in a little pack? Yeah. I better want that. I better want that. Because right now, me tell you, if you feed for the milk, we start with you. But what am I saying? I'm growing, you know. I'm going to say that you're not going to tap through right now and kind of go back around. So, you know, if Karen come, call you. You have my number still, not true. I save number for you. Same number, call me. No credit. You have credit? You can't buy your friend one credit. Yeah, we buy, man. We buy. Send me, please call me and me search. Come send it to your number. Well, I'm not telling you. Yeah, man. Online with you. Online. Yes. Man. So we alright, sir. Yes, sir. Easy, man. What am I feature? You can't want to then cross up when I come back. Alright. Hey, look at now. Oi. No, say me say no. Me never say nothing to you about no lady. Me just accept you and the lady still there. Alright, no rest, man. Alright, do what you do, sir. Yeah. Me never say nothing.
Yeah, please. Yeah, man, your food don't cook already. Well, pull on will be fine. You just have a chill out. Kind of house hot. Alright, B, give me a minute to call back.
Why you obsessed with your man? So, where do you come from?
You know, in their work.
So, what that say? Him not come home to you?
That no say, why hear from him 24/7?
Anyways, I call you up here so if you talk to you about something.
I'm all ears.
I'm going to ask you if you know somebody. You know Johnny?
No, Sam I never seen before.
Girl, I meet him one day, and he might talk some bag of thing. I'm really feel like I'm ready to settle down.
I feel like so could don't go. Listen. When me just meet my husband, God send him to me. We not just meet and say, oh, we want to settle down, we have to take it slow.
So you don't feel like a God sent him going to me?
The way we are going now.
I feel God sent because me see him is like me I see some little star. It might sound funny, but he really look like a God. He's a nice guy, you know. Really nice guy.
For your brain not coming like you're ready to settle down at all.
So me come to you because you claimed the other day say you're married and
You need
and
to
happy.
ask
So
God
why
for the right person.
You
You wait for the right
You
person. You already do that.
He's the right person.
Okay.
So that's the advice you're going to give me?
Well, if you think of the right person, me can't say nothing. You already say pray to God and ask me for the right person. So, at that me do. I'm interested. Me have to get to know a person first. When you say you meet him?
The other day. So we
The other day.
So you don't know what takes over the period of time or what we talk about over the period of time? You don't need that whole month to get to know a person. We know the basics. All we have to do, meanwhile we are go forward, we get to know each other.
Okay,
We don't waste
sorry.
no time.
I am so sorry.
I
don't think I'd make it right choice still.
You not even meet the person.
That's not the point. I don't think I make the right choice.
By settling down. So when me that friend would you see me if you go settle down. No, when me want to settle down is a problem. Girl, make up your
You
mind.
forget to know the person. You can't just meet him the other day and say, oh, see I'm my husband I call me back. You can't say, oh, me know the person. Seeing, you have to see what in him first.
Girl,
Then if
me
you got
done
church.
me done sit you, my lady. No worry your head. That's why me just want to say me did tell about him. Because me don't want you guys say, oh, you find somebody and me don't know. But me think you did give me some really good advice. But some
Oh,
shitty
so where
things-
do I say, oh, so we say, congratulations, I got married tomorrow.
Really?
Girl.
You're supposed to be happy for me because you're my friend. I'm really come up here think you're going to give me some good advice.
That's not the point. I'm happy for you, of course. But sometimes when people say, oh, then pray to God, and God they pray to as somebody else. You pray to Satan, you know, but as somebody else answer prayer. So I'm going to say, be careful.
You know from today? We're not going to be friends. Because we really need somebody we are going to stand up behind back. As a girl, try nothing done. So see, as from today, we are no longer friends, okay?
If I say you want it, well, me I try advice you don't want it.
What kind of
so
advice that you're going to say me I pray to somebody else? How dare you?
But never.
It's alright. Does not say we are no longer friends. It's okay?
Okay, fine by me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Really appreciate the fact that you take the time out to come. I mean, like the way you dress, you know, you look like,
Thanks.
you know, one of those, persons that, can be a very wonderful, I say wife. You know what I mean? And trust me, some things will happen in your life, you have to just understand, say, they're not a mistake. You know what I mean? Because how coincidental that.
I think it's God sent.
I feel so. You know what I mean? And I really admire the fact that.
At one point, I thought you was just joking.
No man, serious. And at one point, I think you got thumb in my face. And the way you look so upset.
I was aggressive. I was so pissed. I was like, look where you are. But then again, I say, you know, everything I'm fine with. So,
obviously, I'm glad to say you can come here and meet me and we sit down and we have this nice guitar. But the waiter takes so long to carry things and come and they still keep calm and all and something. But I would love to get to know the real you for you, if that is possible. Because obviously, I can see you're a very nice person. And, if you are willing to take it to the next level,
what do you mean next level?
The next level is like, because every relationship happen or start. It is supposed to start from 1 and to 100. 100 is getting married, you know what I mean, and settle down.
Married?
Having you about it. Of course. You don't think you fit that profile?
But I think about the party, but why I feel like risky. But not really wrong with me, but I feel like go too far.
No, well,
Get to know me first.
exactly. The hands up. Cause basically I tell you, I'm not married right now like tomorrow morning. But once I said to you, say, yo, at the end of the day, we can, take it slow and get to that place. You understand?
You know, like, them ever saying, say, love at first sight. I saw that yesterday.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that me feel good for. You know what I mean? I appreciate that. So what I'm going to do now is make sure say, I want to be a part of your daily activity. You know what I mean? So you tell me what I go and wake up in the morning and do something. So we move from there and we can take it to a different place. Because as I said, the way you look right now, believe me, you can't make this opportunity pass to have a wonderful girl like you. All right?
Sure, you will appreciate it.
So will you give me the offer?
Yeah, for a point.
From you drop your hand and say, you know, say it's a deal we signed to actually be happy together. You know what I mean? Be my partner. Is that okay? Tia. Seriously. Alright. So you think that even one hug for you first?
Yeah, man. Yeah. No, man. I'm not busy, man. I'm not busy. I'm not busy. There, man. What you want? Where you see? You start out the thing, them? Yeah, man. More you start them out because they're important and a business, we need them final. Yeah, man. More you send you anything, man, because we need them for business. Hold on, 1 minute. Hold on, man. I'm going to come on phone 1 second. Yeah, man. So, just start them out, man. No, man. I don't know the price already, man. No, man. I don't know the price. Alright, you what? Call me back in 10 minutes we discuss it, alright? Wait, see what I talk about now.
But talk to you about my friend. Remember, Jayla, you look at me like a one friend me having.
Hey, we want to talk to me about Jayla.
Yeah, she come to me with the and she make me feel uncomfortable. Because she tell me say she find this guy where she want to settle down with and me I try to explain to her so she can't settle down yet. She have to get used to the person first. Then she can settle down. Then she can go in a marriage. But she want jump to it. She just want to jump to it.
You are one. I know your friend now. But I don't feel like she want a good friend for you. Because the reason why, she's single all along. And if she just finds somebody, she encourages her to find somebody else too. I don't want to keep her company, I tell you the truth.
But me and her are friends from before me even know you. So how that go work? We can't just unfriend her so.
You are. This is what you want to do, if I ever want to know her before me. Me and you together we married and she not married. She should start encourage you to do what she do. Yeah, matter of fact, I don't even want to go on the beach, I want to go back to my yard right now. I feel upset right now, I swear.
So just because I come and talk to you about my friend, you're upset about that?
It's not even just about the friend, it's the type of person who you're friend with. But if you try your friend, you can't go sit still. Come, I'm ready. Come on, now I go on. Come in.
Why you look a bit miserable, you know?
You can't tell. It's my boy, energy.
Brother.
How's this one, man? So far, so good, man. I go and cool out.
Nicholas, more than one talk to you.
Talk to me.
Sorry, Morgan.
Sis, what about you? I might try to just get certain things straight. See their fans.
You know, since I was like, since I was like, never more. You like the law business, I like the not want to listen up.
Yeah, but I'm glad to find a break free from certain stupid things we used to do with rituals and I understand what was. And then no senses.
What do you mean it make no sense?
You know.
It makes sense.
Really?
What's up?
Yes, so we going back down to school, nothing right now.
That's
So
why I forget the virgin girl, but we play ritual and we go back up to school.
I don't want to go back in the life, this is. I want to go. Right now, I just want to settle. I just want to find somebody who love me for me. I mean, love them. I'm like, no, foul.
Some things are this year, this.
This year, oh.
Or this year, this one.
Oh.
Because at this we used to. Oh, if it change.
We have a change.
No.
Yeah, so change is inevitable. So that's about. Eh?
You know, Steve, you know I'm married.
Yeah, no.
You know I want them on their lines.
So that me I try to go for you, but you don't want to get somebody to draw them blood. Well, that not make sense. Since bro that man I'm done with that man.
Sometimes I feel like would have fist out one year, guy.
Yeah, but why?
I fist out the front teeth.
You see where you're gone? You see where you're gone? Violence at all times.
Brother, you need to get the virgin girl. I'm going to do what we have to do. Right now, me no.
Yeah, so look what?
Look what you want.
Simple, go look what?
Never saw father. Me never work for the TV father. You want to talk about me?
Alright. Yeah. Listen to me. If people know what I do, they stay rich. They would have cried, out. For what me I say, right now, listen to me I say. We spot with it right now, we can balance up line and just go through. We are thinking about that they kind of, me always want to call a word towards, come on nobody here with. Listen sis, she really like me. She just me.
You know my greatest thing? Me.
Say how we can invite her?
Then now the friend, all my friend,
Sis,
tell them.
Sis, as I said to you, I'm sorry, but we didn't dip away the time. If you didn't know the thing,
He's a friend. So, one day monkey.
alright.
So, continue with the full English.
Stop. Wash your foot and spin a roll.
What?
Wash your foot, spin a roll 3 times, little girl. Spin a roll, spin a roll. Spin a roll 3 times.
Where am I supposed to get water from to wash my foot? You always
Wash your foot, spin a roll.
You always saw them stop me to me like you want me to scared or what?
Girl, wash your foot, spin a
No,
roll.
go
Come in a like the part where they walk on.
Why you always do them stop me here?
Sit down and pray for you.
Mommy, me I talk to you. Why you always do them stop me? Where you want me to get scared?
You're there on a terrible part. Sit down and pray for you. Sit
No,
down.
something I want to tell you. I don't know what this year coming about prayer.
Talk.
You want hear?
Talk.
Stop being sarcastic. I have some of them want you to meet. I meet him the other day and...
Hold on. Tap the part there.
Stop being so dramatic.
Me too.
You gonna make me finish that?
Get up. Come out before we fling the holy fire. Come out. Get up.
Mommy, listen to what I say.
Get up. Wash your foot, spin 3 times. A matter of fact, spin 6 times. Get up.
Me can never have a normal conversation.
Get up.
What kind of spin chick?
Spin a roll.
Spin nothing, you know, because me can't bother.
No one shall hurt my daughter. No one shall harm my daughter. No one shall harm my daughter. No one shall harm my daughter.
So, the day was so awesome. I just love it. Me too. It was peaceful and nice and everything. But, really need to meet a family. I really think like you to meet mine too.
Serious?
Yeah, what wrong with that? So why that face? Why are you hesitating?
It's not, please, it's not about hesitating. It's about me know, alright, I have a sister and a brother, but I don't really go around them like that. You understand what I say? Because I don't like them lifestyle or them something.
I feel like you're hesitating. The day was going so good, and why at the end you want to mess it up? You're hesitating. Why are you hesitating? This should be no problem for you. Just, okay, babe, let's go. It's like, yeah, I really don't understand. Why are you hesitating?
Listen to me, right? Yeah, my sister and my brother living in Jamaica, but them not really as close as they should be. You understand? And meaning, me not really like them lifestyle. Them lifestyle don't really fit mine, and what them used to do and them do, me not have connection with them like that.
That doesn't really matter.
It matters because me don't want to feel like me a hiding and me.
It seems like you're hiding somewhere. It seems like you already introduced somebody to them. That's the reason why you're hesitating.
No, introduce nobody, nothing like that, man. It's just as me say, me, babe. All right. You want to meet my sister?
Yes. There should be no problem. I don't think it's that bad like what you're talking about.
You know, understand. But all right, me gonna make you meet my sister.
You're still hesitating. Why?
Me gonna make you meet her, and then when you meet her, then we understand that them exist, and that's it. You don't really like them lifestyle. Just understand and trust me. If we move forward, and do a lot of stuff together, look on it. Me tell us me take it serious. You have to go believe me and trust me as a man in a relationship. You understand? So far, I've loved every moment of us being together. Hugging, kissing, you know what I mean? Even if you don't want to do that something yet, I am there for you. I'm willing to just make things and time pass.
Okay. We're going to meet her or not? I really want to meet her. Stop hesitating now.
Yes. Come meet me, sister, right? You want me, sister, now?
And by the way, I need your friend to my mother too.
Yeah,
you see someone not hesitate?
Alright, no problem. I'll meet your mother.
You sure?
But today, I'm gonna make you meet my sister.
Okay.
You ready for that?
Mm-hmm. Why would you ready? Because you're hesitating, I'm happy for that. No,
Are you happy? Alright, let's go. Ready?
Okay.
Sister? No. Come outside, I'm going to talk to you. Come on. Sister, come outside, I want to talk to you.
So what about sis?
I'm there, you're good.
Yeah, man, I'm there. A friend of mine want to come just say hi, I'm going to leave.
Are you friend? So why no I leave so quick?
Just say hi, now.
From there, I hesitate. I don't know why.
Excuse me if you're busy. I can talk to her one-on-one.
No, nothing like that.
Why?
Wait, me tell you see you hesitate about something not wrong.
Hi. So why no I leave so quick? You're going like so you're a virgin. You're a virgin?
Of course, me a virgin.
You're a virgin. Me your big sister. Come now.
So
We are
why you
one
being
family
so weird?
now. Me not be weird. Me just tell us we are family. Understand?
Well, since we meet, we know we're going to be family. But why you being so weird that I'm a virgin? Something wrong with that?
Not be weird. You look nice.
No, why are you behaving like that though?
Oh.
Weird?
Me not weird.
But okay, since I just say weird, okay then I'm happy that you like me and stuff.
So like come here, sister now and everything. Give me a number now so we can talk and everything.
Funny no wrong.
From me bring you here, you know say you're
You-
special and everything.
You know, saying did I hesitate though? So me not feel like. You're gonna see number one too.
Down.
It's safe and everything, okay?
Alright, thanks. So you tell them. You ever done with her?
What would I lie about that?
Happy about that. Brother. No, we need to talk. Something wrong here. Me like you do. You're so important to your family.
Me not understand why you're being so weird.
Me not be weird. Brother,
Let's go.
Alright.
she important, you know.
What do you mean important? What are you talking about?
She important to your family.
No.
She not important.
Of course she's important.
She's being so weird. Come. You're still not ignoring the question, you know.
No, listen, I said, alright. First things first, when you really want to go, you got to tell me something, you have to come upstairs right now.
You know what? You have me and Freddy a walk across. She is still a bypass me Christian as to why she's so excited that I'm married. And when me tell her, you said Jesus Christ, what's wrong?
There's nothing wrong. She just like some people just like certain things. Most of the Virgin Mary have a baby boy, you know. So they want to know say whatever they gonna have, which is a if it's a baby or come from you, it's blessing. You know,
I don't think that's the case.
There's a biblical thing to it at all times.
You know
sometimes.
what's going on here?
Because them just want me to breed somebody or something, you know, but just leave it now. I can enjoy them look a moment now, the sun has set. I can sit with a nice mood now. See, I have peace up on your shirt. Peace! Eh?
But you just hope so.
Nothing wrong now. Just want to know if you're reaching safe. And
You're not going to upset.
no, I can't. Because you have got to introduce me to your mom. And then you take it from this.
Okay, so I don't know.
Come on, it's time. Alright? Oh my god. Looking forward to enjoying ourselves together. Alright?
Alright.
Sister!
Wash your hand, boy.
Alright.
Come now.
Sister,
Uh-huh.
are you coming here, sir?
Come in, more talk to you, come sit down here, son.
What going on now?
Sit down. You know say yes, you're not going good.
Me not going
You're
good.
not going good, brother. Look how long me tell us if you find one virgin girl for me, you can't find one virgin girl.
And sister, you see, as the girl them turn 13, then start dash out, then start flinging northwest, so left, right, and center. Them a dash all over Jamaica. So tell me something, you a virgin?
I feel yourself with me?
What face with that?
Eh?
It's a simple question I ask you.
You see you look like madman. With a
No,
shirt
okay,
on
madam.
wrong side, your pants dirty. Look on you.
I saw work me did that though.
Anyway, you see Johnny every girl up and down all over the place. And I care girl come and me do what I do.
What you say?
Mm-hmm.
Sis, you know, see me winning lotto do.
I lie.
Yes, but me lost the ticket.
Boy, you're salt bad.
Why?
Alright, guess what? Guess what more you do? More you go up so.
Yeah.
Back up so when me always get the stuff them.
Yeah.
We need to go out there go get the vial them for me. You
Alright.
understand?
Yes,
me
yes.
have to do this today, no later than today. You understand? Not even this evening.
Right now, me
Right now. No. Hurry
right
up.
now, right
Run. Do it fast.
I'm another judge. Huh? Why not? Yes.
You can't touch me, daughter. You can't touch me, daughter. I send you back to the sender. To the sender, you can't touch me, daughter. Oh, you can't touch me, daughter. To the sender.
No, Mom. You're not strong.
Go back. Go back. Anyway, you come back. Go back.
Hold on.
Spin a roll, spin a roll. Spin a roll.
You happy now? Hold on. God Almighty, me I say if you tell you. Last night, me lie down and me say, come and like send me head the pan.
Stop right there, so. You feel lucky, so me I protect you in a girl. You know the amount of people after you spiritually, everywhere.
God Almighty, mommy.
Woo!
God have mercy.
You feel lucky. Spin a roll, my daughter. Spin a roll. Spin a roll. Spin a roll. Woo! Spin a roll.
Wait, mommy. Johnny, may I come? Mommy, wait, my friend. Come, alright. Come no, man.
Sure, come in, man.
Mommy.
Duffy! Woo! Duffy, get him out. Take him out. Water.
Mommy, what
Water.
Make your mother go on, sir.
Water.
Make your mother go on,
Duffy,
sir.
water.
Stop that,
Water.
mommy.
Take him out. Woo! Duffy. Woo! My daughter, take him out.
Yo, me will check your leg. Don't do the mother.
Take him out.
Mommy, stop
Woo!
that,
Take him out.
The mother.
Ah! Woo!
No, what kind of something that you are talking?
Take
So
him
all
out.
this time you believe in certain things like this, I never know.
Give us to me and act like this.
No, me I believe.
I rebuke. To the
Believe,
side.
man. I
Go
believe.
back to the side. Where?
To me.
Go
Yeah,
back.
walk.
Go back. Go back. Woo!
Johnny. You know you not talk to
Alright, listen me tell you this, see? Me not trust you right now. Because based on where we are come from and what go on which day there, you really think if you just come meet you and everything for just fall into place? When you not tell me the full story of your backgrounds and all them something there, eh?
I'm glad you said that. I'm glad you acknowledge that. I'm not just saying that. The other day you bring me go meet your sister and me not even realize say she have arms me up and pull me ear. You know, so the other night I'm going in.
She pull
It's
your hair.
like
You mean she
because the other night I'm going in. Yes, me at all. Listen to me. The other night I'm going in and me same like me head up on fire and that's the only explanation to it.
you're up on fire?
Yes, like it literally just I couldn't control myself. And I really think your sister got something to do with it. Because in the morning when I wake up, my mother was like, you know much people are fire? I mean, you really think your sister I mean, know you know what. I know you know what.
Me know what happened. Alright, tell me something. So you try to tell me, so your mother is a what?
Johnny, me just a suspect someone I'm placing your sister in that suspect because
Alright, listen to me.
you say you don't check me, don't check me.
Alright, listen to me, sir. Please and answer me this question. You believe, say, my sister did you something to make your head on fire?
You believe my mother is only a woman, so why can't I?
When me come in your house, your mother see me and your mother said, Dopey. How me feel like say she has see me and OBEAH walk your army or some spirit, bad energy. Me not like them vibes there.
You know some mother is a spiritual woman, right?
And that you tell me
So
no.
that's why when you came in the house and I was like, one mother of this strange behavior. I should suspect something from there. I should never enter your sister home and make she have me so close to her and things.
So you're saying my family is bad. Remember, I was telling you at the get-go, say, me not really like certain things when I deal with me. I say them not do certain things and all that, but we need to get in that one at a different time. But for right now, I think we just need to take a little 5-minute break. We'll see it on the weekend. Today Monday, so let me check you back and just think about everything.
Why this have to be an argument, Johnny? Why we can't sit down and talk?
Yeah, we sitting and we talking.
This
but
is not talking, this is having an argument.
No,
because you're going through a shade that my mother, me a through a shade that your sister, that's not having a conversation.
Alright, Johnny, need some time. Can I get some time? Just give me even just 2 days, we just blow off and just work out, work out. You can do that?
Whenever the time they finish, don't come on me. I don't come.
And this
What
year,
kind of time you need?
just give me some. If you come on my yard and my mother said, Dopey for you, You know, want some time to think
I
and
don't-
you know, just get back everything to normal.
It's cool. It's cool. You say you need the time, take all the time you want. Take all a year. You don't really matter. So when that time up, you can't come here. It's all good, Johnny.
Yeah, give you time, because right now you're upset, and that's fine.
You know, say I be a nag me. I be
Me
a
a
nag.
nag you, so me nag you now.
Of course you're nagging. You're nagging, man. I be a nag, you nag me. You know, see, you know, appreciate not when me do for you.
Of course, me appreciate what you do for me. Me not say I do nothing
Yeah,
for
but
me.
you sound like you don't appreciate not when me I do, man. Cause if you argue with me and tell me say me not on time, you don't appreciate not when me I do. Cause me have to work, you know. You think so me have to work?
Me never say enough work, but you not give me enough attention.
You know what? Me think more in the conversation. Like, me I go over and look for my mother, you know.
So you just got any conversation, so?
Yeah, but me don't want you go over there with the bag of argument, make you sound like me a bad somebody. Hmm?
Me never say a bad somebody.
Yeah, man, we can pick up this one next time, but for right now, we just
You
want...
see what me I talk about? When me you have a conversation, you cut the conversation and say, oh, you go such and such place.
Alright, come over my mother, come cuss and quarrel.
Me never say me go over there with the argument. But every time me and you have a conversation, you cut it.
I mean, I say, cut it right now, we can pick you up later. Come on and do the argument.
Alright. We're going to cut it. We're going to leave it right as well. Argument done. You're not going to hear me say nothing more about it.
Alright.
Evelyn, mommy.
Spin a roll, my son, spin a roll.
Yeah, man, that good enough.
3 times, 3 times. Alright, come sit down now. Me have something to talk to you about. You know, say your sister Javia. Care man come in at my house. Now, I know see I the man, you know, but him can duck it in at my house.
When that, mommy?
The other day, me have to chase him out. Me have to cover, no matter how me try with this little girl she just nah listen.
Mommy, you know, say around 3 times I talk to JV about this at one foot near. And JV not take no talking from me. For me, she just hard ears.
Listen to me, my son. You're him brother. If she not here, you don't know what to do.
What to do?
Don't worry yourself. Me go cover her. Me a pray for her. If she not here this time me go lick her with something make him have to just sit down.
And I think that go help her, and she just stubborn.
I'm not stubborn, just stubborn. That people out there try her for her. If I never me, we have body to bury.
Mommy, you know him, man? Why you can't come over here?
Why? I don't know the man, but all the thing I know is a ducky. When I look for the man, all I can see a ducky. I don't know the man face, I don't even recognize him all now. I can't even read him up. Something strong over him.
You can't care about the man come here?
I can't come back here. Me put a bridge on the whole environment. When the man there try cross, something just lick him back and he don't know what. You understand?
Man, like, you're powerful still, but watch out. Someone you're pretty for me too, you know.
You have to know yourself, son. You know me always a cover you. Always a cover you. So me I pray for you now. Cover you, that means so when you go up on the road, nothing bad not happen to you. Nobody can touch you, nobody can harm you.
Yeah, man, mommy, more I do that because right now my money done and my last some I treat them, you know. The leads people them.
Don't worry yourself, my son, man. Mommy got you. Come here, son, my son. Let me cover you. Spin, my son, spin. Nobody shall harm me, son. Riches, my son. Anything I want in my life, I shall achieve, my son. Spin. Yeah! Nobody shall harm me, son. No weapon touch me, son. Nobody.
Good enough.
And a man in time, my son. Wash your hand. Get up and wash your hand and spin the road 3 times. And you're good.
Alright, my mother. Later, yeah?
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Girl, I tell her sorry for keep her waiting.
I said, I don't like that people here, you know. Because I'm not
Had-
for welcome visitor.
Girl, I sweat. I bathroom I go use.
I'm not even visit. Yeah. I one of my friend them come to me the other day, right? And she has said she asked me if me know no mother woman. Because she want to go to one feel like, I don't know what she want to go mother woman for, you know. She want to go get some read up or something. So me ask her if you know no mother woman near around here, so.
Mine and you want mother woman, you know?
Sure. I know my future turn already, so I don't need no mother woman.
Hello, me and your friend, you know.
How much years now?
You sure don't mean you want... Alright.
When I don't want to go to you as my friend.
Friend do all kind of things to people.
You don't have no for me to do something.
Hello.
Anything you have, me have it too. I want a question to ask
Here what? Me about one... So, one day... You say you go down your road down there, sir? You turn left, then you go up one hill. Now I'm upstairs and downstairs house. That's all I mean. I don't know nothing else. I don't know her name, nothing else I don't know.
So you know that? And your people talk about
Me
it?
and people talk about the girl.
You're good otherwise though.
Alright, man.
But let's do that find out or something, because the lady said she want. So me call her when I go home and tell her everything I want to go on. Understand?
Alright.
Me not like that door where you just say.
What me do?
But you feel like you want to do something too. Would I never do something like that?
You guilty or something?
Guilty for what?
So why your problem?
If me feel a way about something, I go talk about it. Me supposed to talk about it.
Me and your friend. Sorry for that. Me just talk my mind. You understand?
You really, yeah man. That good.
I just mind me talk. No offense.
No
So
do it again though, man.
Differently ways they are going. I good do. And that I call link
good. Yeah, the lady want to find out ASAP. So I have to call link and ask her. You know, say yeah, all the friend me have run, so I can talk to her, ask certain questions. I can't go to the road and say, yo, you know, I'm not one of people don't feel say no one do them things or show something.
You see? You see what me talk about?
Me understand what you say.
Okay. So you could have come on the phone to ask me that?
No. And everything you talk over phone. Sometimes you have to see people face to face to talk about it. You understand?
Okay, well, me get the direction to the lady.
And I'm going to give direction.
Me just give direction.
When we go, I call the people, the man say, when I go up here, they turn left and then this and then this and then upstairs, downstairs.
Yeah, well, upstairs and downstairs. That's all I know. So good luck with telling the person when the place. You know how long this is on yourself? Yes, you're going now.
But yeah, I take a rough lifestyle. And anyways, look like they beat me out of some still. I know people are their own life live. But anyways, I don't really call you out to suffer.
Oh.
You're my husband.
What about your husband?
This man, he had no time for me. He hardly pay me attention. When he come in, it's either he go straight to him bed or he go on his phone. It's him from work to the yard and he not give me no attention. And I talk to him about it and he's like, he must shout after me. So me there say, I wonder if you have one. Actually, I don't know no matter woman you know go there.
So wait there. So you say you left from work, come home, and a pay you no attention at all, not even a little on your side, nothing?
Nope.
I don't understand that. So wait there, you searching phone?
My man is not a cheater. When me search him phone for he not cheat for me, provide everything I want.
So what problem? Why you sit down for the wall? What like why problem?
Sometimes I feel like me don't go on mother woman.
Me don't hear what you say now. What you say?
Sometimes I feel like me don't go on mother woman.
One mother what?
Woman. So why your face look like that?
Alright. Come on now. I hear second somebody from week. I talk about this mother woman business. So it kinda mess with my brain one little bit.
So oh yeah, stress funny so.
I don't stress me and stress funny, you know. Me not stress funny, but I don't know. Yeah, it's second I can't coincidence. I don't know.
Say no when on there come in and know on them. So
Girl, me hot. Me I get nervous. Me not understand. This I can't coincidence. No, sir. With it, no. Anyways, let's say what mother woman fam.
I want to find out if you have a man.
Want to find out if you have a man.
So how you so nervous?
Me don't know. Me just anxiety a kill me right now.
So you know none?
Me know one.
So you can give me direction.
Alright. You have to go up, you know, a long hill. You have to go up the hill. Turn left, then right, then go up. One big upstairs and downstairs house.
I think we can find the place.
Alright.
Anyways, thanks. Me
Yeah,
too.
man. No, sir. Me really have to go find that day. Me have to go get the mother woman there before all of them. I have to go check out that the mother woman there. Me don't understand. Mother goes pimple.
Come in. Money. Where you coming from? Money, fame, wealth, riches.
That too. Alright. More ask you one question.
Come, talk fast. Time mean money mean time. Talk fast.
I don't know what making her come. Alright, my friend, right? Me have one friend, one very, very close friend. She explained some things to me. She want to know OBEAH woman there, right? Me tell her say I only somebody me know about in the community.
Oh, so you send people to me. Money, more money. You hear me? Money.
Just listen now. Alright, so me now come to you now to find out some things. Me I beg you, please assist me.
Alright, money. Wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Wash your hand. Money. Wash your hand. Alright, time mean money. Money now. Money. Sit down there, son. Money there, son. $10,000 per anything you want to know. $10,000.
$10,000.
Alright, what you say you want to know now?
My friend, I want to know if somebody come to you about me. Like, if you do nothing to me.
Are we just coming for waste my time?
No. Just listen now. Please. Just let me know.
Nobody no come to me, so I'll have to waste my time. Come out and place. Other people want to come. Come out and place. Come out.
Just like that, you collect me $10,000.
You not come. You waste my time.
So me can't take it
No.
back?
I might lick you with the holy fire. Come out and place.
Let me call her. So, well, call her though. Hello, Sister Ella. What? You know, say 3 nights ago, me a check for you. Yeah, because I did want to connect with you. But it come like some higher powers that me disconnect me from you. And that's why I call and I check for you, man. So you can come over, let me have a talk and drink. What do you mean? What do you want, my brother? Alright then. We meet up some other day. Alright, sister, and later. Alright. Madam, go
Who that?
skip.
You come in, come in, come in, come in, come in. Wash on now. How was it? Where you come here for today?
You remember me?
Me say where you come here for today?
More if my husband a cheat for me or if him have somebody
Stop
else.
this. Tell us something. You say if you come here for wealth, fame, and me run that. See I like scammer them with them big car, crown markets, and me run that. But if you keep your man and your front run that, no me. So come, speak up.
But just want to know if him have other woman because he not give me
Madam,
enough
stop
attention.
waste my time. See if you want to find out if your husband a cheat, go a road for that. No come here so for that. Me not do them something there. Me do wealth, fame, anything to do with money, riches. You waste my time so you have to pay up to, you know.
But we deal with that one next time when we come. Because me never come with no money for me.
So you not come with no money for you, but you come to know if your husband a cheat. Move up. Come out of my place.
But we come pay one next
Come out
time.
of my place. And fix up yourself if you want to know if your husband a cheat.
Sister,
Oi,
come here. Let me talk to you for a minute then.
come, give me a minute. What do you want?
What me gonna say to you now? And something we talk about already. See, me a reason about the fact say yo, if you leave with a certain energy. The girl tell me say, you do something to her. You do something to her?
How your girl fi tell us me do something to her? She know me what kind of person?
JV tell me say, me know you and me know how you work. First you compel them, and after you compel them, then you get them in a few category. You just do whatever you want to do. So you can snap your finger and call them. Listen to me, sister, me I tell you, do not venture in this kind of thing with them people. You understand me I say?
Why is that?
What do you mean so why is that? You know, me go down at the yard, I go meet people. Them I say me a dopey. Me not tell you that already.
No.
And you me tell?
No.
You hear me I say? All me I say to you, do
Who
not
say you dopey?
see me girl mother. I say me a dopey. Like she know my spirit not green enough for her place. And for me that was very uncomfortable because I wonder say how something like that can ever happen. Eh? So
you forget the type of work I used to do?
yeah, but me done that. Me
Bad
quit that.
energy still there on
Yeah,
you,
but
bro.
me don't no at some point bad energy have to lift. You have to lift up.
Well, you
Listen,
not fully
sister,
live
sister.
because me still do certain things. So you not go fully live.
So how you do it then, not true? Jesus Christ, sister. What you plan to do? You plan to mash up everything what can be a possibility of me finding... What if the girl love him for true? What gonna happen next? What you plan to do? Over riches, over money, over
Brother, I
vanity?
just want a better life for you all of you.
So go look work. And that's what you go do. Let me say...
I'm mad. Me not look no work. You crazy?
Over the years, you have life easy. At times you start structure certain stuff, man. Right now, my new bank account is empty. Go invest in something, man. Find something to do.
No.
And stop foolishness. What can I go and so? What you want to do? A jail have to stop you? A jail? I bet some... Yes, yo. Me no want to go like me want to rat you out or go like, but you have to stop. This thing, it can't go. I mean, I tell you, if me hear say, you go call her phone, I'm assuming you take her number in that the same day then. If you call her phone or do anything, sister me here, I go at ads. I know you don't want ads with me. You know that already.
Listen, me and your brother and sister, and me and I go there no ads. Yeah? You not do nothing to me, and me not do nothing to you.
So what that mean? So what that mean? You are going to stop then, you not going to go ahead with it and look up, or you going to go ahead?
Me think about it.
What you think about?
Me think about it. Take a look work.
Sister, yeah, I see your business what talk about, you know. What you plan to do? What you plan to do?
You know, you just tell them.
Alright.
Think about it.
You know something to think about. This you really want to go. Alright, here you are. Count me out. Count me out everything. I'm going to take a plane and leave out of this place.
You're not going nowhere.
As simple as that. I'm
You're
going
not
to
going
lift up
nowhere.
because me tell her say right now, say me going to take some days off, you know, but she don't understand. So me kind of I protect her from me know say you. Oh, you work your goose up on the girl.
I'm strong though, me not lie. Somebody did their backer or something.
So what, you want to fight the person who a backer? You want to find out? Alright, you me say, I don't tell you say, if you don't see me, you see me. Left there. So tell me brother say, me will see him some other time. Me hope someone don't see him and can talk some sense to them because me know say him here say. Sister, are this here take it? You really are bringing this up? Alright. If you see me, you see me.
You need to talk to your brother yourself, because I'm not going to talk to him. I'm an auntie, I'm going to look for this one. Your auntie? Yeah. So, no, up here, so you tell me, say, a lady there. A mother lady. What do you call her again? What do you call her again?
Mother Goose Pimple.
Mother Goose Pimple. You never tell me say auntie that
stick up
person?
in. Me not fit. You did ask me about my auntie. I over here woman you ask me about. You not ask me about my auntie. So
but me and your friend for a long time. You're supposed to tell me.
My auntie just moved come last week.
Last week.
Yeah. You go like I want somebody alone live up in hill and hold it house up there.
And your point is? I hope
Anyway.
not touch me. I don't know where you come from. I not even know if your auntie you got to fit through. What the fuck lady you go?
You want to come look?
Me?
I
told me I something to deal with. Mother can't look, but me have something to deal with.
So what you are gonna?
Eh? They go for Mother Goose Pimple. Up there me they go. Right now. How?
No, me just ask away. So the funny time when me direct you just know you just go there?
Yeah. When me did go up there.
So let me ask you something now. What you got Mother Goose Pimple go do?
Me I deal with something. Me just want to ask her some question. That's it.
Okay. Alright then.
You sure say auntie I come from there?
And my auntie me I come from girl. My auntie come from foreign and she'll give me this a bag.
So you can't give me something out there now? You only bag alone in there?
Me not have nothing in the figure right
so
now.
So you can't give me a
when the barrel come, me give you something.
When the barrel come?
Yes.
When me go get? When me go get?
Me not know yet.
I want to know because just so Jamaican people, anytime when get barrel, we always give it to people who don't know, people who close to you, give them no out there.
I am first somebody me a call later.
Alright, make sure you know.
Yeah.
Later.
Who you? Oh, me can't read you.
Why you want
But
to
me
read
can't
me?
feel the energy.
Why you want to feel my energy?
But me can't read up your name. Who you? Who you?
And you are mother woman up here.
Me see who you?
You don't need to know who me. Oh. Me feel me do something 3 nights back. And me feel strong. Me just feel something backfire upon me. And you do it.
Oh, so you are trying to hurt my daughter?
Oh, are your daughter?
Are you a trying to hurt my
Are your
daughter?
Are your daughter
Oh.
no? Here!
What? Oh, you coming for fight?
Okay.
Oh! Come out of my house. No come back. No come back.
I have to come back to you. You're not done it. So here, watch me and you.
I just know saw some bag you call me final.
Where they pan?
My foot them.
You know, so I like certain style where you bring though. You're my sister and show you big, you feel like say, you can't listen to me I say now. Where if you carry man gone to mummy yard? Mummy a call me and a tell me say you carry man come our yard. And me don't know what kind of spiritual thing that the man there walk with. Because mummy says the man walk in our yard so the place just dark up.
That's the thing with you and mommy. You believe in what you do. Me don't believe in what you do. Me tell her I'm going to introduce her to one of my friends, right? And as him come, Duppy, Jesus Christ, the woman a flowing water.
So hold on, one question.
Listen to me, bro. Why you believe in what she do?
What you mean? Actually, you don't understand. Wait till you grow big enough to understand them there's something there. And them there's something there you have to do well enough. So I don't know what you talk about.
So when mommy call you, tell me my business for?
Because you're wrong. You're wrong. You can't carry them the people that go to mummy yard. You need to know who you choose.
Listen, it's my life and me not gonna stop talking to Johnny because you and mommy. Okay?
So you don't just say your friend. Are your friend or your boyfriend?
No worry if I'm your friend or my boyfriend. It doesn't matter.
I don't tell you what to do, you know, but you need to choose wisely because I don't like them the people that way you carry come to mummy yard.
What wrong with them?
Help you and them turn out the road then.
Because it seems like you know something.
Mummy no want him back over there, so it's either when you go to him, you and him turn out the road.
Me just need to say something you can about him.
If it's something because you know you do something wrong.
Stay out and busy, bro. Stay out and busy. Because I don't know why mommy call you and tell you that. She just needs to humble herself because what she do is not real. She just
so what you do real?
What me do real? So me can't meet somebody nice. But I remember the other day you tell me say you see me, you know say me is a smart girl, you see me I go around to a little lenga boy. I'ma finally drop that and this is somebody who me can really confide in and trust. And it's a problem. Why you can't just leave me and be happy? You don't just ever in a way like you have some stumbling block.
No say so, man. No do that.
No, don't.
Just go on up. Me don't tell you what I tell you, so just go on up. Because you don't like, listen, I don't like that today, so just do it.
Me stop talking to you because I give her money, let me tell you that. Alright? So you go fight all on the wall.
It's alright, you still get what you look for.
You go and me go and get. Yeah, we know.
Yeah, we so know.
Stop. I don't understand what you do me. I'm your a friend like that.
And how long may I look for you? Me I go up at your house, I realize you know up there somebody just come down back. I never leave when I back up in you.
That don't make no sense. You know why that don't make no sense? And I'm a mother you go listen to.
No.
I wonder. No, look in my eyes and tell me say I mean you. So why would I take you two exams? Why would I take you so long to realize that you was so wrong to come apologize to me?
Listen, I have to take time. I have to think.
How long you there for?
How long am I there for? But just come and I leave back.
So say I go up and ask my mother how long you there, she go and tell me you just come and leave.
She got tell her.
You see the look in your eye? Don't.
We just
Don't
come to
listen to me.
apologize.
Listen to
We
me.
never come to
See the look in your eye? Don't listen to no what my mother say. I mean, me know you could never come to. So why apologize now? Because since I come apologize, I'm here. Apologize now.
Oh. Sorry for how we get off. Oh dear. That never called for. Are you opening your feelings?
I'm going to ask my mother, you know, and she go and tell me.
Alright.
You just come.
Yeah, me just come. And I leave back because it wasn't there. Like we said before.
And this is so surprising because when me and your friend never yet come on me yard, me always have to come on your yard. So I'm so surprised right now. That's why I know so I know me you come look for.
I could have woman call look for me, mother and a friend.
Well, my mother do work and she and people and her friends she then come to her. And I said don't listen to my mother say. I'm going to go ask her if you just come.
Alright then, you're free for go. See it.
Don't lie to me now because I'm going to find out. Don't lie to me.
But looking at my face.
It's alright.
Yes, look like me alive.
You say you just come leave it then. Because me know me I can apologize to you know. But it's all good, Amanda. My son, come check me now. Right now. Me can't even sit in the house and tap me out the gate. Right away can come no. Yeah. Alright, hurry up. Why? Me there. Why? My son. Me no really can't talk long with you this morning because me don't go somewhere for a few days. Because yes, so I get hot. You know, say you have to go jaw up JV in a hand.
How I go on again?
This me there in me place, you understand? This woman just come in. Me can't read this woman, me don't know this woman from nowhere. Come and fling so every power against me, you know. Me have to fling it back and block him out of my place and tell him to not come back. Then she say she feels so energy through one night when she do something. And I realize I see a woman where I try to walk off of JV. You understand? So I'm going to need to drop JV in a hand. I might not have your sister. You need to protect your sister. Me alone can't do it because that woman they look like she's strong.
So you really think JV are going to listen to me? And you know JV not listen to me already?
And your sister. Lick him down with something if he not listen to you.
Me? See man then come.
Which man them?
No, me not.
Which man them JV have?
One thing man when carry over here daddy.
I don't pay that no man.
Yeah, so you want to think on haunt me in my sleep.
Me don't tell JV to not talk to that the boy already, so JV can't chat to that the boy already. Me don't chant one spell to keep with
why you not talk to her then? Because she not going to listen to me.
Me not talk to JV not believe in how me do spoil. It's true, she not believe in what me I do. It not really work that much. You have to believe. Just like when you believe in it, so you get the riches and you this and you that. JV is not that type of person. JV is hard to deal with that, you know that.
Alright, me must say you tell me to lick her down so when my girl Taryn she not listen.
Tell you, and your sister. Nobody can come say no for this and that. And your sister, girt him.
But she's
and
stubborn.
pull him up in her hand. That with her, I don't know how she's so stubborn. Don't look for you.
So she then know?
JV in her room. Because I give JV a steady talking this morning. So you know, me are going for a few days. And you and JV no left inside. None at all. Me are going for a few days, go do some
certain things because the woman there, she too strong. And it look like he now left off a JV back. So me we go do certain things and come back because me have to get him off of my daughter back.
man in that chat to carry some spirit around here.
I don't know what, because only thing I could answer with the man I dopey, me can't even read the man, I just be a dopey me and see. Me can't even read the man. You understand? So as we say, hurt up JV. And stay here with JV and ensure JV don't carry a man in this place. Although me put up a barrier around the house, you understand? So anybody unwanted cross here, so them get licked back out here so them can't come in.
Yeah, mommy powerful still in me not tell a lie.
You understand?
Powerful.
Alright, my son, me have to go up on the road now because me have to hurry up and take care of my child. Me have to protect my daughter. Nobody can harm my daughter. Understand? So
You go up on the road and come back, go deal with something. Because something me don't deal with, but you call me on the appointed time. I mean, know so when you call me, that's something serious. So I'm so come back here.
alright.
Alright.
Ride safe, although nothing can do up on the road.
Alright, my mother.
Alright.
Girl, if your phone are in you. When you come off the road, that be ignore your phone. I want to you. Take your phone and answer your phone.
I don't know mood to answer no phone right now.
Want to you. Tell me want to you. When you come off the road, you ignore your phone.
Girl, I don't feel good.
You really take your phone and hang up your call?
If somebody really want me, then we call again. Not that people say?
So, the phone did a ring and it never hang up before me car come, so why you didn't answer it?
I don't know mood to talk to nobody. You gonna force me to answer me on a phone?
Oh, your phone. Me I go back and go do what me I do.
Alright. Hello? Girl, me there, man. I not ignore me, I ignore your call. Eh. A long time I not see my auntie. Long time. About 3 months now or so. Eh. You hear say me go over Mother Goose Pimple yard? Me? No, girl. Not do that. Me not involved in them. There's something there. OBEAH and them there's something there. Me not believe in that. Girl, me say na me. I swear to God na me. Me no got them the place the girl. When me can't come bother me peace today, that's why me never want to answer nobody, you know. Girl, later, cause me I tell her something and you tell me say people I tell her this and people I tell her that. Me say me not even know where Mother Goose Pimple live. Me only hear about that woman there. I never see that woman a day in my life. Later.
And
Spin a roll, my son, spin a roll.
That good.
3 times, son, I told it. I go hear them talk.
Sometimes. Mommy,
My son,
let's say I go on now.
me there, man. Have a feast. Me there. What me I do want him? What happened to me? What happened to she? What did go on with him again?
Yeah, man, come here.
Oh.
Wait, I'm not take my name.
I am a go-go.
If one did that for the better?
Yeah.
And action!
Who are you?
No, no laughing face. No laugh. You have laughing face. Yeah, see camera here. No laughing face here. Everything serious.
When we say start from, who you? When we can't read it.
Who you? I can't feel the energy.
Yeah,
I can't read you. I don't know your name. Who you? I mean, yeah. Ready now? And action!
You just had two, so you're good?
Where you pick up from?
Yeah, what's the story? You don't think I said that? I don't understand what you're doing.
You subscribe yet?